Yes guys, this is Bitcoin and we saw a pump towards the upside of round about 10%. First, I thought that we are going to see a breakdown from these levels and form a Bart Simpson formation, but no. Bitcoin showed us once again that Bitcoin is king and we saw a movement towards the upside of round about 10%. And guys, we're going to find out exactly what are the next price targets for Bitcoin and what could we expect. Because guys, it's very clear we saw this bounce from this very important trend line towards the upside. So guys, I think that this is going to be a bullish case for Bitcoin and that we are going to see much higher prices. And if you want to find out what prices, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. And now let's start with the video. What's up guys and welcome back to B4 Crypto. We're not going to lose any time and we are going to go directly over to the charts. And on the daily chart you can see guys that we had this major pump towards the upside and we bounced off perfectly from this very important trend line, which I showed you in my previous video. So guys, I really do believe that this is the double bottom and that we are going to see much higher prices from these levels. And we're going to go on the 4-hour chart to find out what are the next price targets for Bitcoin. But guys, first of all, we're going to zoom out on the daily chart to really find out where's our next resistance and support. So guys, you can clearly see that in these areas where we are at the moment, we had a lot of resistance and also support exactly here. So guys, here as well you can see that we had a lot of resistance. So guys, at the moment Bitcoin is facing some heavy resistance, but guys, I really do believe that we are going to consolidate in these areas until we are going to see the next move towards the upside, because guys, the next point of interest will be at this area where we also have on the daily chart the 100 moving average and also the bottom trend line of this range that we have been forming for a very long time. So guys, we're going to go over on the lower time frames to really find out what are the important levels. So guys, on the 4-hour chart you can see that exactly at this point I thought that we are going to form this Bart Simpson formation and break down towards the downside. But guys, you can see that Bitcoin did exactly the opposite. And we saw this major pump towards the upside of 10%. So guys, what are the next price targets that we could reach? First of all, we can see that we broke perfectly through the 100 moving average on the 4-hour chart, and that is quite bullish. And also we went over this resistance area, which was our previous support box. So guys, you can clearly see that our next target will be up here at the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart, and I expect that we are going to reach these levels of $21,600, and then we're going to see some kind of consolidation before we're going to see the next move towards the upside. And guys, nothing can go up in a straight line, so guys, we could see that we are going to come back all the way down to the 13 EMA, and the 13 EMA is at the moment at the $20,000 level, exactly here. So guys, I could expect that the 13 EMA will move up a little bit as we will consolidate in these regions. So guys, maybe we are going to see a pullback all the way to the levels of $20,800 and round about 21,000. So guys, maybe this is going to be a good consolidation area for Bitcoin until we're going to see the next move. But guys, we're going to go back on the daily chart because now we're going to draw in the Fibonacci retracement level all the way from the swing low to the swing high. And then you can see that at the moment we were breaking the 38.2, and that is quite bullish guys. So maybe we are going to consolidate in these areas where we also have a lot of resistance and support. So guys, and from this point we can see that our next price target would be the 61.8. And guys, you can see that the 61.8 and the bottom of this trend line and the 100 moving average on the daily chart all come together at this point. So guys, I really do believe that we are going to see this consolidation and this next move towards the upside roundabout to the levels of $22,800. And with that guys, we could break the 100 moving average on the daily chart, and that is quite bullish guys, because if we zoom out on the daily chart you can see that the last time we broke the 100 moving average on the daily chart was exactly in March. So guys, this looks quite bullish for me, and I think that we are going to see a massive move towards the upside. And guys, I really do believe that we are going to reach the levels of 30,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. And guys, this is why you have to be invested in Bitcoin, and it doesn't matter if we are at 18,000 US dollars or even at 24,000 US dollar, guys, because in the long term you'll be in major profits. So guys, we're going to go over and find out what is Ethereum doing at the moment. So guys, on the chart for Ethereum, you can see that we dumped all the way down to the level of 1,400 US dollars, and this would have been the best entry point for Ethereum. But guys, you can see that the upcoming merge will happen on the 15th of September. So guys, I could expect that we are going to see this massive push towards the upside to a level of 2,100 US dollars before the merge. And then maybe we're going to see some consolidation before we're going to move up with the whole crypto market. And guys, I think that at the moment it is the best opportunity to buy Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency for long-term investment. We are going to go back on the weekly chart for Bitcoin because guys, at the moment you can see that we are at the 13 EMA on the weekly chart, but we are still underneath the 200 moving average. So guys, maybe we're going to see this move towards the upside and that we are going to break the 200 moving average on the weekly chart and come all the way up to this high. And guys, then you can see that we have formed this perfect W. And if we're going to break out from this W, we could have a price target of round about 31,000 US dollars. And guys, this is no coincidence that all these price targets line up so perfectly. Because guys, at the moment we are in a bear market because we can clearly see that we have a downtrend towards the downside. But guys, forming this double bottom is quite bullish for Bitcoin, and being in a bear market doesn't mean that we can't make any profits. We could see a move all the way up to these levels of around about 40,000 US dollars or even as high as the 50,000 US dollar mark, guys. And that would mean that we would make profits around about 100 to 120%. And that is quite good for a short-term investment. And then if we're going to see consolidations in these areas, these would be the best opportunities to trade your Bitcoin against altcoins or even on the spot market and on the leverage market to maximize your position. And guys, if you want to trade these and buy Bitcoin or Ethereum on the spot market, go down and use my Phemex referral link where you receive a deposit bonus up to 4,100 US dollars. So guys, I'll keep you updated in my Telegram group, first link in the description below. So guys, if you like this content, go down, smash up the like button and subscribe. And we see each other in the next video.